Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use text boxes in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. As we all know, for entering the text, we need to create a text box, and we can also use already created text boxes to add more text. We cannot directly enter the text in publication window. Select the text box in the Objects toolbar. If you don't find the toolbar, please watch my tutorial about toolbars by clicking on the link in the description. Come to publication, click and drag the mouse. It will create a text box. Now we can enter the text. Here the text is too small to read. For that we can use zoom in option from the standard toolbar or press F9 from your keyboard to view the text clearly. We have seen already how to move and resize the text box in previous tutorial. And on the top we will get a green circle which can be used to rotate the text box in any direction. If you want to create multiple text boxes, no need to go Objects toolbar again and again. Simply double click on the text box and come to publication. Draw the text boxes as many as you want. Still we have in text box mode. After creating enough text boxes, click on the text box in the Objects toolbar or press Escape to come out from the text box selection. Now I want to copy and paste the text from another file. Come to the text file. Here I'm selecting the text and copy the text using Ctrl+C shortcut key, or come to edit and click on copy. After that come to publication, click on edit. Here please select paste or use Ctrl+V shortcut. Now we got the inserted text does not fit in this box. Do you want to use autoflow? Click on no. Now below the text box I got A with 3 dots, which indicates text box is not big enough to show the complete text. So we need to widen the text box. Then it will show all the text. And we have few more options while pasting the text. Again come to the file. Here I want to select the text. Press Ctrl+C to copy the text. Come to publication. Click on edit. This time please select paste special. Here we got few options to paste the text. We can paste the text as unformatted text or as new table or as new text box. Here I'm selecting new table. Click on OK. Now we got the text which is spreaded into different boxes or cells as in the table. After this, if you want to insert the information from text file and autoflow the information into multiple boxes, before this I want to create 2 text boxes. And click in the first text box. After that come to insert and please select the option text file. Now we need to browse the text file. On desktop I have copied my text file. I'm selecting that. Click on OK. And we got the notification the inserted text does not fit in this box. Do you want to use autoflow? Publisher automatically flows the text into existing boxes. If you agree, click yes, or you want to connect boxes manually, click no. Here I'm selecting yes, and it will show the text box where it autoflows the text and ask for our confirmation. Click yes if it is the correct box, and to skip the selected box click no. And if you want to cancel the autoflow, click cancel. I'm selecting yes. Still the text boxes are not enough to copy the full text. Do you want publisher to automatically create text boxes? Click yes, and publisher has inserted one new page for your text. OK, and in 5th page it is showing the text. And come to the text boxes. If we increase the height of the text box, it will add the information from additionally created page. After this, let's edit the text. Here I have a heading for this text box, and I want to add same font style and color to all the publication to bring the same appearance. Here select the text box and come to the location where you want to insert same font style. Here I want to add same font style to operating system. I'm selecting that. Copy the text and come to the text box. Here we need to paste the text. Come to edit and select paste. Below we got a clipboard with the arrow. Click on that. And here we can select either keep source formatting or keep text only. I'm selecting keep text only and we got same look. Now we can add this above the text box. Sometimes you will get a situation to select multiple boxes at a time. For that, use Control button on your keyboard and click in the boxes. And we can select all the text boxes. And we have the basic options. If you want to select all the text, use Control A shortcut and it will select all the text. And if you want to select a specific word, just double click on that word and the word will be selected. And if you want to select the complete line, click on the line 3 times and it will select all the text line. And if you want to select the specific area of the information, click before the text, use Shift key and click in the end. Then it will select the information within this limit. One thing we need to remember that whenever we copy a text, it will store in the clipboard. From there, it will paste it anywhere in the publication. Like this, we can use text boxes in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.